Welcome back to Overheat, Ferrari Motorhome, 2026. Exterior Aerodynamic and Iconic Design. This motorhome's exterior boasts an aerodynamic design that is both aesthetically pleasing and practical for stability and fuel efficiency, drawing inspiration from the sleek lines of Ferrari racing cars. Strong and lightweight materials, advanced composite materials like carbon fiber and aeronautical aluminum are widely used. Futuristic lighting, sleek adaptive matrix LED technology is used in both the front and back lighting. The Prancing Horse, the famous Ferrari, is positioned thoughtfully at several locations. Interior, adaptive lighting with smart lighting system that modifies color, temperature, and intensity to lessen eye strain during extended workdays. Flexible walls, smart glass barriers or sliding walls that may be made opaque or transparent. Interactive projection screen, and LED video wall or large projection screen for team brainstorming, data analysis, and presentations. Outfitted with a top-notch surround sound system. Ergonomic seating. During lengthy meetings, luxurious leather chairs with an ergonomic design offer optimal comfort. An adaptable bed is one that has a memory foam mattress that can be firmed up or lowered. For personal leisure and communication, this premium entertainment system includes a hidden OLED TV, a hi-fi sound system, and lightning-fast internet access. Individual climate control. For the ideal humidity and temperature, each suite has its own climate control system. Induction cookware, a convection oven, a smart refrigerator, and a professional-grade espresso coffee maker are all features of this high-tech gourmet kitchen. Informal Dining Area, an extendable or folding dining table with cozy chairs. Artificial Intelligence AI-powered smart home system. A central AI system controls the motorhome's lighting, temperature, audio-visual, security, and even crew schedules and preferences. AI-powered 360-degree security cameras for identifying irregularities. Smart glass technology. This technology allows windows and partitions to adjust their opacity.